What did you do yesterday?
I went to see a movie.
What did you see?
I saw The Avengers.
Was it good?
Oh yes, it was very exciting. What did you do?
I went to eat with my family.
Where did you go?
We went to Olive Garden.
Was the food good?
Do you have any brothers and sisters?
I have one sister.
Who is older? You or your sister?
My sister is older than me.
Do you get along with your sister?
Yes, we get along okay.
How about your parents?
My father died many years ago.
I'm sorry to hear about that.
My mother is fine. She's very strong and likes to work.
What does your mother do?
She teaches at a university.
That's great. What does she teach?
She teaches psych.
Pardon me? I do not understand.
She teaches psychology.
Oh, I understand now.
How about you? Are you married?
Hey, is that Michael?
Yeah.
Do you remember me? From school?
I'm sorry. I don't remember you. Did we study together?
Yes, and we lived in the same dorm too.
Really? What floor did you live on?
I lived on the 9th floor. You lived on the 7th floor.
That's right. How did you know?
I would see you in the elevator sometimes.
I'm sorry. I don't remember you.
It's all right. It was several years ago.
Well, anyway, it's nice to meet you again. Aim.
Sophia.
Sophia Wilson, right?
Yes, see, so you do remember me.
Okay, so where do you live now?
I live in an apartment.
Oh, do you live with your parents?
No, my parents moved to the country.
They must be very happy there.
Yes, they enjoy it very much.
So, do you live alone?
No, I share the apartment with an old friend.
Really? A friend? Is he a boyfriend?
How about you, Michael? Where do you live?
Oh, I rent an apartment. I'm by myself.
Do you like it there?
Yeah, but it's kind of noisy.
Oh, maybe you should. Complain to your neighbors.
Oh, no, I'm the one who makes the noise.
Ha 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 ha.